everybody. My name is Mohammed. In this team, I am the leader and also the design engineer. As leader, I am responsible for managing and handling the team. And now I call upon our graphic designer for further information about our presentation. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'm Aviman Nadesan, the graphic designer for Shockwave, and I'm the one who's responsible to put together the team identity, which includes the logo, color scheme, and all the essentials for printing by using the latest software such as Adobe Photoshop CS3 and Adobe Photoshop Element 6 for graphic designing. First of all, I would like to give the logo definition for Shockwave. The word Shockwave means a region of high pressure traveling through a gas at a high velocity. High velocity means high acceleration, and the high pressure gives an extraordinary speed to the car. The color scheme that we choose are red, yellow, white, and black. The red symbolizes the color of enthusiasm, which is relevant to us as we are putting our earnest effort in making this car, while the yellow represents our knowledge, where the team uses genuine information and latest fact in designing this lightning speed car, while the color of purity, which matches our integrity, where it is fair and square, it also shows the true sportsmanship. Finally, the black symbolizes prestige, likewise to us, as we are thought to be the prestigious team. Now we move on to the logo design. The shark-like pattern symbolizes the wave produced by the protons and electron particles to combine with the speed. Last but not least, our team motto, champions in the making, motivates us to move further and to be a real champion. And that's all from me now. I call upon our design engineer. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as a design engineer of Shockwave, I'm ready for unique design and the aerodynamic performance of the car. I also do research for the concepts that we use to strengthen the car's performance. My research are based on three main variables, which are aerodynamic, resistance, and downforce. My concepts are based on the ferocious hammerhead shark and the deadly paraglide falcon. First of all, the body of the car is taken from the streamlined body of the shark because this shape will allow air to flow smoothly. Secondly, the car's spoiler is inspired from hammerhead fins, since that unique shape will make air slip through it to reduce the drag. Thirdly, the front wing of the car is taken from the shark because the hammerhead shape gives the car the best downforce. Moreover, the head is based on the beak of the falcon as it provides the best aerodynamic performance because it decreases the air resistance. Last but not least, the side wing of the car is based on the swept back wings of the paraglide falcon as air will always flow through it. Hence, our car will move in an extraordinary speed. The software that I use to complete my work is Solid Edge V20 to design our car and to translate the design to the CNC machine. Virtual wing tunnel will be used to test the drag, pressure, and also the velocity. That's all from me now. Now I call upon our manufacturing engineer. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Najib. As a manufacturing engineer for this team, I am responsible for setting and choosing the perfect balsa wood, setting the CNC machine and all the machining process. I am also credibility of the finishing process of the car. The first step in the manufacturing process, you choose the perfect balsa wood weighing 100 to 120 grams. The balsa wood is then inserted into the CNC machine. The machine is then set using 3D CAD. The machine will now begin to build the car. After the car is built, then balsa wood waste is then removed. We then use sandpaper to smoothen the car surfaces. Putty grade is then used to strengthen the car structure. A driller is also used to make the axle holes to insert the carbon shaft. The final step is to paint the car with desired colors. The structure of the car includes wheels made of Teflon to reduce friction between the car and the track. Teflon is also chosen because it has one of the lowest coefficient of friction against any solid. The ball bearing has a function to reduce rotational friction and support radial and axial loads, while the carbon shaft is used to attach the wheel for the car to have motion. There are two softwares that we will use in the making of this car. One of them is the VR CNC milling software that allows complicated machining and processing tasks to be practiced in real time and total safety. The other one is the QuickCam Pro software, which will be used to create cutter paths for machining 3D parts on a printer. That's all now. I'd like to call our resources manager for further details.
Bin Jehovah Sahc. I am the resource manager for the team Shockwave. My role as the resource manager is to provide equipment, materials and resources needed by the team. I am also needed to develop ideas regarding our commercializing and to give a hand to my friends if it is required. In the early stages of the tournament, our team is not yet to be known by the public, so we have taken a few measures to make ourselves known. The first step, we wanted to get the public's recognition. To do that, we have given some thought in giving them flags and brochures. We have also created a Facebook profile, which is Shockwave with SHC accounting. Our second target are the VIPs. We give them gift bags that contains brochures and flags. We also give them a special treatment by giving them caps, flat caps, pens and notepads and many more. The final step of our marketing strategy, we had some items on sale. By doing this, we will boost our reputation. Next is our budget. Our total budget for the tournament is 2,420 ringgit. Next is the management flowchart. The first phase is the team registration and business plan. This took us from the early January until mid of June. Next was the team selection. We had it in the mid of June until the end of June. Next was the car development. We had this in the early stages of July until the mid of September. Our hope is to reach the national finals, which will be held in September. With that, that's all from me now.
That's all from us. We're from Sahc College and we are the champions in the making. See you at the national.